Life, biosolutions for soils and crops. We are 7 billion now and will be 8 billion people by 2030. Feeding residue-free food for this growing population is a real challenge. Soil health is adversely affected by the abuse of synthetic inputs. Few $1 billion of toxic pesticides are getting phased out, and there are no tangible chemical alternatives. We understand the language of green inputs through our plants, microbes, and nanomaterials. Welcome to the wonderful world of sustainable agri-inputs, a world of biofertilizers, biopesticides, biostimulants, and nanotechnology products. A residue-free solution that one company believes in. Agri Life brings this nature's gift from lab to land. Our focus has been to provide inputs for sustainable agricultural practices since our establishment in 1993. We are based in Hyderabad, India. We export to over 50 countries, catering to residue-free food and farm needs worldwide. Agri Life is one of the leaders in organic inputs production with over 100 certified inputs approved for use in organic agriculture. This is the state-of-the-art new facility for botanical extractions. Botanical biopesticides like carangen, anonin, extract of seeds of Annona squamosa, and azadirachtin, extract of neem seed kernels, are manufactured here. This is to manufacture gram-positive bacterial cultures. Spore-forming bacteria are produced by submerged fermentation and broth is centrifuged to get biomass. Different bacteria can be produced at the same time in different fermenters. This is to manufacture gram-negative bacterial cultures. Not spore-forming bacteria are produced by submerged fermentation. In this solid-state fermentation process, very hygienic standards are maintained here. Liquid formulations of biopesticides, biofertilizers, biostimulants, and nanotech products are made here and filled in to consumer packs. Air classifying mill is used to make powder formulation and auger filling machines are used to fill the packaging. Double roasted bentonite clay granules are treated with biofertilizers and biostimulants to make impregnated granules for sustained delivery of actives. All the raw materials, packaging materials, and finished products are maintained systematically. Rooftop solar modules produce 2/3 of power needed by the manufacturing facility. The whole facility has fire hydrant system and firefighting equipment which are regularly checked. Our in-house laboratory is recognized by the Government of India, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research